Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Sharkoon MS-Y1000 and MS-Z1000 Micro-ATX cases. So friends, Sharkoon has now introduced the MS-Y1000 and the MS-Z1000 Micro-ATX cases, and friends, these are two Micro-ATX PC cases made of steel, each with a front panel that is elegantly designed with a pattern of Y-form and Z-form airflow opening. For pre-installed fans should enable an optimal cooling, while the air-permeable front panel provides a constant flow of air into the case. And despite the compact design, large components such as 240 radiator can be installed in the top of the case. And both are available in either black or white colors. And the cases appear with a unique design in two variants, whereby MS-Z1000 gets its name from the Z-shape opening on the steel front panel, and MS-Y1000 gets its name from the Y-shape opening. And the simple black or white color scheme allows the case blend into almost any surrounding. And the side panel of the left of the case has two parts, a tempered glass window and a grille, and each part can be swapped in its position and mount either on the top or the bottom of the case. And four fans are already pre-installed, two 120 PWM fans under the top panel, one 120 PWM on the bottom panel, and one 80 PWM fan on the rear panel. And additional 120 fan can be installed on the bottom panel. And with the optionally available kit, the Compact VGCK graphics card with a length of up to 27 cm can be vertically installed in the MS-Y1000 or MS-Z1000. And the vertical installation avoids any blending of the card and enables a better presentation. And if I talk about the availability and pricing, both are now available to purchase, and the starting price is 79.90 euros. So if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.